Hi guys, welcome to Abby's Digital Nook, where I talk about all things Kindle, cozy, and bookish. Today we're going to be unboxing my first ever Kindle, which is the Kindle Basic in Matcha. Prior to this, I've always read on my iPad mini or listened to audiobooks through Audible on my phone. I took several months to decide which e-reader I was going to buy and eventually settled on the Kindle Basic, and honestly, I cannot love it any more than I love it. I take it with me everywhere now. It is always in my bag, and having it inspired me to create this brand new YouTube channel so that I could talk about all the things I love about it. I originally wanted to get the Kindle Color Soft because I felt like that was the go-to alternative in comparison to getting an iPad, just simply because of the color. But then when I really thought about it, I wanted something that I could take with me everywhere, something that was easy to throw in my pocket, something that was just really compact, and the Basic is what drew me in. And then when I saw that it was in green, a cute matcha color, I absolutely had to pick it up. Now, I've been using the Kindle app for a very long time. I use it either on my iPad mini or I use it on my phone. I also think an e-reader is just a great tool for reading manga series. The black and white ink just looks so beautiful on the display, although it does look great on the iPad mini too, don't get me wrong. I just really like the way it looks on an e-reader. It kind of feels like you're reading a newspaper, and it feels very nostalgic and very comforting on the eyes. As I create more content, I'm going to be showing you guys how I customize my Kindle and make it my own, as well as comparing it with the iPad mini and other devices that use the Kindle app. I'm going to be showing you guys my pros and cons of using this device versus other devices. So if this is your vibe, hit the like button and let's be friends.